We're just getting ready to leave the house here. Welcome to this video of the truck show, the New Holland Transport Truck Meet fundraiser. Let's go see what the boys have to say this morning. What's going on back there? Ready for the truck show?
Yes.
Yeah, you got your
Dad, do they have bounce houses?
They are gonna have bounce house.
Yes!
And what else? Do you remember what else?
Pony rides.
Pony rides, what else?
Beer train rides.
Barrel train rides, yeah, that's right.
Yeah, this is gonna be so much fun.
It is gonna be fun. You guys excited?
Yeah!
All right. Let's do it, guys. Let's head on over there. The roads were a little damp on the way over yet, but I think we'll be good, so we're gonna head on out. Okay, and we can go. Morning. Just keep the change. Okay. Thank you.
What did he say?
He said we just keep going down the line. And then we have to fill that out right there. What?
Right there.
Are you serious?
Right there.
Alrighty, thank you. We can see him then. Here we got Elite Services now. They usually have their own truck show. Are you guys carrying on over here?
Yes.
We got Elmer with his nice Freightliner over there. So many nice trucks here already. Lots of cool iron here already. It's only 9:30. Barbecue place is here, right, man? We'll do a full walk around eventually, but right now the kids want to play in the bounce houses and ride the horses, so take time with them first and then we'll film. Got the whole family here now. Gonna go walk around. Boys want to have some pony rides, right? All that good stuff. New Holland Transport trucks here parked out front.
And I don't want to have one.
You like it? Large car mag over here to the left with apparel. We'll just walk around and check everything out. Thursday we're going down to DC to just for the day, and then Friday I'll be out there. One of my favorites right here, Mike Burkholder's Kenworth. Love the paint scheme on it. buddy Travis truck and his dad. A lot of people here, so it's a little hard to film, but that's all right. Such a nice truck. Doing ladder truck rides. It's a J.R. Zimmerman truck, just repainted. Fresh out of the body shop. Such a nice Kenworth. It's owned by the 717 Shine Shop, or 717 Polishing, whatever it's called. It's got a polishing business and a couple trucks. And here's Clyde. You guys have seen him in my videos. This is the truck that he just redid here to the left. These are both his. This one's fresh out of the paint shop. Just got the pinstriping and everything done. He did a great job on this one. A little bit of striping there. So we'll get to see this truck a lot, hauling precast. There you go, somebody offering polishing. Where it's at right there. Oh yeah, I did see you were behind him.
Switch for the quiet one this time.
Yeah.
Sleeping away.
There you are. looks clean. This one they just put a coffin box in. It was a day cab.
Short hood, the long hood, too.
Can't remember who did. Oh, LS truck painting, I think. It's Josh's truck. This thing.
Yeah, let's see. Brandon and me there. Oh, right for Mullen Greenhouse.
They did a good job on this thing. See, this is what I need right here.
See, I have two of them.
Yeah, I need to do that
I can
because
show
it
you
looks
what I
nice.
did, but-
There's a line of New Holland transport trucks up there. What's that? We're gonna check out Tim's truck here. Yeah, that's what I need right there. I need to.
Yep. Zimomatic makes them. Plate with the ring on them.
Oh, with the ring on. That way I can. And then he's got a hook there. That
drill an
way.
extra hole with some stainless chain.
That way I'm not tearing off mud flaps anymore. You know what I'm saying?
Take them. Flop
Yep.
them up.
Yeah, that's what I need.
Hook them in. And they sit there like that.
Because whenever I'm doing precast too, I need to, like, without even looking at the job site, just do it when I
That's
pull
where
in. You know
run
what I
into
mean?
it, just on and off the job sites.
Yep. Tim drives a nice flat top here for Western Lehigh. How many trucks does he have?
11,
11.
about to have
And they're,
12.
I mean, quite a few of them are flat tops, right?
They're all flat tops. All the 389s are flat tops or day cabs, and we have one 567 stand up.
Okay. Yeah, so you got two on either side.
Two on both sides.
Yeah.
25 watermelons on this truck. 2 minis in the bumper. 10 LED strips for underglow under the cab bracket.
Oh, you got stripped under there. That's right.
Yep.
I didn't even. All right, we'll take a look at some of these trucks. My wife and the boys went to eat. They were getting a little crazy. Tired of walking and complaining, so they're gonna go sit down for a while. They just put a, that was a day cab, just put a coffin sweeper on there recently. What do you think of all the trucks, Sarah? Hmm?
That'll come in handy one day.
Always clean. I don't know how many trucks he has, but it's a lot.
Sewage trucks? Yes, very
Yes. Yeah, they're all in junk all the time. Yeah, it's at least a dozen of them, I think. Which one? This one?
Yeah. big.
Yeah, I didn't either.
Big bunk record.
I didn't know that until you just said that. I had no idea they had it. Yeah, they do. They do. Go down this line again because it's so nice. How are you doing? Just another nice Kenworth. I think we've pretty much seen everything. Oh, yeah. People are starting to head out. It's a clean Peterbilt right there. Just filming some trucks leaving here, and then we're gonna head out. Wife and the boys left. Look at that cab over.
Still probably got me pretty good.
Yeah, I'm sure I did. I don't like blankets either. Yeah, I'm not. Yeah, it's nice being home.
That paint's deep there.
Yeah, you can't hardly beat it. You see that thing coming down the road like it's a head spinner. And then yeah, with this flatbed with quarter fenders on it.
That thing is those old crazy quarter fenders. The back of his sleeper don't shut it up. Yeah. I'll probably forget, but you know.
I'll be in the shop, Tom.
Okay.
I'll be irrelevant after a while.
Sounds good. Well, give Steve a hard time. Make sure when anything breaks from Steve's truck, tell him it's driver error.
I already told him. I already let him know. I said, because I chat with him almost every day. I told him anything that breaks is 100% not my fault.
does have his strap.
Yeah, I had no idea.
Thermal, yeah.
God, great. Oh, let fancy flash on that thing and everything.
Yeah. All right, guys, we're getting ready to head out of here. A lot of trucks have cleared out. I tried to get some footage of some guys leaving, you know, before I head out, so hopefully you guys enjoyed that. And here's something I want to show you. We got large car pics, or large car truck pics on Instagram, and large truck 1988 on YouTube. And I actually follow him. He takes some pretty good truck videos, and you guys see this all right. The light's on here. He takes some pretty good truck videos, so check him out. Okay guys, we made it back here to the shop. Thank you all for tuning in to this video of the truck meet today. Very successful. Went for a great cause, so you know, great turnout. Always amazing to see that, and it was just a very, very fun show. So like I said, that benefited one of their drivers who's been fighting a sickness. I don't remember what it is or what's going on, but he has been sick for a long time, so this is going to pay for some bills and things like that. So thanks for tuning in, guys. We're going to be heading home. Roman's all cleaned up over there, ready for the convoy tomorrow. Like I said, I don't know if we're going to be gone, if it's going to be rainy and wet, and you know, I don't think I'm going to be gone with the kids and stuff. I might go by myself, but it's just not as fun without the family. So I don't know for sure if we're going to be participating, but well, he's got her looking good. But anyway, if we do, you'll definitely see a video of that as well. So thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate all the support. I really do. See you next time.